Okay. Okay, we're going to talk about solving the absolute value inequalities. Okay, and I know this is review because we've already gone over it. So, when we are looking at graphing absolute value inequalities, we have a greater than mark. We have a less than mark. Mark, symbol, sign.
Oh.
With those, when you are graphing, you leave it as a open dot. When you have a greater than or equal to symbol, sign, or mark, or a less than or equal to, you then fill in your circle when you graph it. Everybody good on that, right?
Yeah.
Woo! When we are talking about the absolute value of x, we are talking about the distance between x and 0 on a number line. So, if x is less than 8, then any number between 8 and negative 8 is a solution. And I can check to make sure I did the right math by plugging in an answer. If I plug in negative 2, the absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2, which is less than 8. If I plug in negative 9, the absolute value is 9. 9 is not less than 8, so negative 9 is not a solution. So for this exact problem, to graph it, I put my circle at the 8. I put my circle at the negative 8. Now, this is where we started to get confused a little bit before. Do I connect the dots, the numbers, or do I draw them apart? And I have to tell you, Mrs. Jurek and I have been talking a lot about this. And so, when it is less than, put your thumbs up, give me your thumbs. When it's less than, you connect them. Ready? Everybody do that? Connect them, because it makes it smaller.
I can't connect.
You have to connect with your elbow. There you go. When it's greater than, because it's bigger, you flip them out. Okay? So if I'm looking at this example, this was a less than mark, wasn't it? So less than tells me, I'm going to draw my hand here. How tall is that hand? There's my thumb. Do you like my thumb, guys?
I like your thumb.
Okay, so that I connect my thumbs, right? Less than thumbs in. Do you want to be hand on that, Lexi?
Hand model over there.
There we go.
What? Oh, yeah.
You're sure? Less than. Connect thumbs together.
I'm giving it black nail polish.
I don't know.
Okay, you give it black nail polish.
I don't know.
Greater than. Thumbs apart. What do I mean by thumbs apart?
Boom, boom.
Got one thumb.
Yes, it
No,
can.
not really.
So, when it says graph here, okay, thumbs together was less than. And where am I going to draw my thumbs apart, guys? I guess my thumbs apart will be here. Here's my thumb.
No, you should draw that on the by the beak.
I will, I'll add to it. Do I have too many thumbs on there, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This guy has 6 fingers.
Yeah. How do you get the extra finger?
That's unusual. I'm going to say genetics.
Genetics.
Not
You're
people
race.
can be born with an extra arm. That'd be cool.
Okay, this is greater than.
Simply people would consider you.
Shut up.
Simply people would consider you a freak.
Chris, you're on camera, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good boy.
Not you. So, camera. When you have greater than, that's when you graph them out. When you have less than, that's when you graph them in.
Like this?
And that rule is because of what I just said. When you split this into a positive and a negative, you have to flip the sign. And we're going to get into that on the next part. But for right now, I want you to know, less than means small. So thumbs in to make less space. You graph together. Greater than, thumbs out, because you need more space.
Greater than like this?
Okay, let's go ahead and do a couple practice And then I will turn off the video for today.
I do it.
Not the video.
I have the absolute value of x
Hello, peeps.
is greater than or equal to 2.
Reload.
Step 1. What do we need to do with this 2? We know we're going to have a 2 and
No.
Negative 2.
a negative 2. So I'm going to get my graph line.
You know when you
I need a
0,
2,
negative.
and I need a negative 2. What kind of circles, Chuck?
Wait.
What kind of
Closed.
circles? Closed. Why?
Because it's bigger than or equal to.
The or equal to tells me it's closed,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
See.
And since it is the absolute value of x is greater than 2, which way are my thumbs going to go? Are they making
Okay.
in
Out.
or out? Out.
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 Because look, Chuck, let me show you again. And when you go in, less than, because it's itty bitty space.
Okay.
Greater than, bigger, out.
Yeah.
So I graph it
Oh.
out. I graph it out. Okay. Let's try another one. Absolute value of x is less than 16.
It would be 16 and negative 16.
Okay, Andy just told me I need to have a negative 16 and a positive 16.
Open circle,
Open circles.
and it goes in.
And tell me why.
Because it's less than and
X
it's
is
small.
less than 16 and we go itty bitty teeny space inside. Thumbs in. Thumbs in, say
Restaurant.
connect. The only thing I didn't do was say how can I write this? So if they're going in, X is in the middle and we have X is less than 16 but bigger than negative 16. On the one above, our original problem was absolute value of x is bigger than or equal to 2. So we would then say, we keep that, x is bigger than or equal to 2, or x is less than or equal to negative 2. Because when I set it equal to that negative, I have to flip the sign. Are there any questions on that? Nope. Okay, we're going to stop that then, and I'm going to put